Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to disable others downloading your TikTok videos, which means that you can hide your save option from your all TikTok videos, and this method also prevent unwanted activities. So anyway, how to do it? So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application. So now in this homepage section, we can press this me icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one, and it shows my TikTok profile informations. But you can press this vertical three dot icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner. Now it shows this TikTok app related settings, but in this section we can go to privacy and safety settings and the second one. So here you can click to open this following option, allow your videos to be downloaded, and it is placed under the safety section. And in my device this setting is automatically enabled, but this is the reason for that save option. So simply you can click to turn off this option. So once you disable this setting, no one won't be able to download your all TikTok videos. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.